I shot this guy 8 times. He sneezed on me and I died.
That's the Call of Duty experience.
Realism mode is a lie.
Bro, I survived 3 rockets by hiding behind a cardboard box.
Meanwhile, I tripped over a rock and flatlined.
One time I got sniped through a concrete wall but lived through a helicopter crash.
Physics has left the chat.
So has logic.
I just got killed by someone named XX0 Blind Daddy X.
Legendary warrior. Show some respect.
I just watched a guy dolphin dive off a roof, stand up and reload like nothing happened.
My teammate survived C4 but died touching barbed wire.
This isn't a game, it's a fever dream.
We're all just NPCs in Goblin Daddy's story.
Honestly, I believe that.